General Kagan, how do you feel about permitting cameras in the Supreme Court for oral arguments?
Well, Senator Kohl, this is actually something that I spoke about when I was as Solicitor General before I was ever nominated to this court. So I have expressed a view on this question, and I recognize that some members of the court have a different view, and certainly when and if I get to the court, I will talk with them about that question. But I have said that I think it would be a terrific thing to have cameras in the courtroom. And the reason, I think, is as when you see what happens there, it's an inspiring sight. And I guess I talked about this a little bit in my opening statement yesterday. I basically attend every Supreme Court argument. You know, once a month I argue before the court. When I'm not arguing, I'm sitting in the front row watching some member of my office or somebody else argue. And it's an incredible sight because all 9 justices, they're so prepared, they're so smart, they're so thorough, they're so engaged. The questioning is rapid fire. You're really seeing an institution of government at work, I think, in a really admirable way. And so I think, and of course the issues are important ones. I mean, not some of them will put you to sleep, you know, but a lot of them, the American people should be really concerned about and should be interested in. And so I think it would be a great thing for the institution, and more important, I think it would be a great thing for the American people. Having said that, I mean, I have to say, I understand that some of the current justices have different views, have concerns about it. Maybe that they think it would actually change the way the Supreme Court arguments do work. And I would, you know, very much want to talk with them about those views. And, you know, on almost every issue, I'm open to being persuaded that I'm wrong. But on this one, I have expressed a real view, and it's the one I hold, is that it would be a great thing for the court, and it would be a great thing for the American people.